Hello friends, and welcome to my channel, where we discuss photography and creativity. Today's video is all about how to critique and appreciate Impressionist photography. Critiquing and appreciating Impressionist photography is a great way to improve your own skills as an Impressionist photographer or as a lover of art. It can help you understand what makes an Impressionist photo successful or not, what you like or dislike about it, and what you can learn from it. Impressionist photography captures a moment's essence through unique, often unconventional techniques. These photographs can be truly breathtaking, from blurred images to deliberate use of light and color. However, critiquing and appreciating Impressionist photography can be challenging, especially if you are unfamiliar with the genre. So, let's dive in. First and foremost, when looking at an Impressionist photograph, it's essential to focus on the feeling or emotion it evokes. Impressionist photographs are not meant to be a literal representation of reality, but represent the photographer's impression. So ask yourself, what emotions do I feel when I look at this photograph? Impressionist photos often evoke joy, wonder, peace, or nostalgia. They also capture the essence of a moment or a place with spontaneity and freshness. Try asking yourself thought-provoking questions to encourage deeper engagement with a photo. For example, what feeling does the photo give you? What impression does it make on you? How does it reflect the artist's vision or personality? These types of questions help you develop a richer understanding and appreciation of the piece and may lead to new insights or interpretations. Secondly, pay attention to the composition of the photograph. Impressionist photos often use unusual angles, cropping, asymmetry, and perspective to create dynamic compositions and capture a unique view of a moment. Look for elements such as depth, balance, and movement in the photograph. How these elements contribute to overall feeling or emotion of the picture. Impressionist photographers often use light and color in unconventional ways to create a specific mood or feeling. They also use contrasting tones and motion blur to create a luminous and lively effect. Look at the photo's color and light, and how they create an impression of the scene or subject. Ask yourself questions such as, how does the composition draw your attention? How does the color affect your mood? How does the light create depth or mystery? How does the movement suggest action or emotion? Next, evaluate the technical and artistic aspects of the photo and how they enhance or detract from the Impressionist effect. While Impressionist photography is all about capturing a feeling or emotion, technical skills is still important. Impressionist photo can be challenging to create and require a lot of skills and creativity. They can also be subjective and open to interpretation. So ask yourself questions such as, how well does the photo use Impressionist techniques? How clear or ambiguous is the photo's message or meaning? How original or creative is the image? Finally, compare the photo to other Impressionist photos or paintings and see how they differ or resemble each other. Impressionist photo can be influenced by Impressionist painters such as Claude Monet, Edouard Degas, or Bret Morisot. They can also be inspired by other Impressionist photographers such as Alfred Stieglitz, Edward Steichen, Robert Demachi, and others. Ask yourself questions such as: how does the photo relate to other works in the Impressionist genre? What similarities or differences do you notice? How does it contribute to development or innovation of the Impressionist style? Impressionist photos can always be enhanced or appreciated in different ways. You can offer your honest opinion and advice on how to make the image better or more effective. You can also compliment the photo's strengths and achievements and share your response. To clarify this in your mind, you may ask questions like this: what do I like or dislike about the photo? How does the photo inspire or influence you? What would you change or keep about the photo? Now that we discussed how to critique an Impressionist photographs, let's discuss how to appreciate them. Impressionist photography can be truly inspiring. So here are a few tips to help you understand it even more. First, take your time. Impressionist photographs are often complex and require time to fully appreciate. Spend time looking at photographs' details, colors, composition, and overall effect. Secondly, try to understand the photographer's intention. Impressionist photography is about capturing a feeling or emotion, so try to understand what the photographer was trying to convey. And finally, let yourself be moved. Impressionist photography can be truly emotional and powerful, so don't be afraid to let yourself feel the emotions that the photograph evokes. That concludes our discussion for today. Thank you for joining me, and I look forward to see you next time.